Not hanging, I'm just tired. I'm surprised you're not.
You both got Gymshark shorts and Gymshark tops.
I might have to meet you there.
Straight out of ITV2 Tower. Shark is 20 minutes late. Thank you.
This is cool. This is cool. Nice poo.
Let's get it all out.
That's poo. It's literally doing my teeth.
How long?
Wow.
I feel like we've just been kidnapped.
That's why she's having to wait.
Can't really see on the camera. Total von Arsch war, irgendwie, weil dann nachts erstmal noch ein Hotel sind.
Boy wish panda leaf and butterfly pea flower for to do butterfly PT.
Oh, this is cool.
One of them, and one of them. Shit, that smells good.
Roll cigarettes.
You see burning?
It's gonna.
Is there two or is it on
There's one, there's probably a few around here. I'll just jump there. Lizard
They're
boy.
fucking rapid, aren't they? Bloody hell, Liam.
Stream on him. See? Placid. Slow.
How we like it.
Squirted too early.
Panda leaf in front of your pea. Coconut infused. Marie.
Oh, sorry, I need to go to
I have more chicken. Prawn soup and low cohort. There's only water inside. Thank you so much. So quickly you can pick your prawn.
Oh, zoom out your color.
What I was expecting.
Wow.
It's all different happening.
So what you got?
Turmeric chicken soup.
Coconut chicken soup.
Hot soup.
Local hot
What
soup.
you got?
Coconut chicken. Feeling better now?
Yeah, now I am. Yeah. Give me some fucking milk.
I actually do. Luckily, it's just a little bring down.
Went Centre Parks years ago, all of my family. We were like, Ewan, try this chili, like you'll be fine. He's like, yeah, I'll try it, easy. What are you worried about? And he tried it, he's like, yeah, it's fine. And then literally...
Millie. Millie.
I'm gonna smash it, Bryn. Merrick's just literally holding it in his hand. He's not even doing anything. We? I've been carrying you. Come on.
It's not good enough. She said it's not fancy enough.
I'll send her a hand. They've really smashed it.
Yeah. We just go shopping, get some.
Oh, I've got so much cash. I work in computers.
Avionics.
More sweet, more yummy. And
Double
I
it now.
have sauce, how balance your taste. Not sweet and not salty too much in your sticky rice, your salt.
Yeah, perfect.
Ladies,
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
yeah.
Is this matcha or pandan?
Pandan.
Oh.
Not matcha.
Can you get powder? Can you get pandan powder?
No, it just I have fresh. One more time.
Master Chef.
Yeah, that thing's got a bloody dodgy
And
animal.
the green one, huh?
How we feeling? Round up. One word.
Bang 'em.
Slap.
Rice.
And you?
Spicy.
And she's had chips, grease just smashing her face. She's like, I don't get it.
It's just going everywhere. There's just no.
Oh,
We're talking about chips.
yeah. There's a basketball team rocked up, third floor.
He's on this road.
Should we walk down to the road and you can try and sort the car?
2 hours later.
Oh, there's 8 total.
Oh. Why do you always go sideways?
I don't know, sorry.
Pull out camera.
On our way to the elephant sanctuary. I'm doing the vlogging today because Sam's had a few too many toasties, so she's feeling a bit bloated. Oh. You know, it's Alex. It's Alex. They'll know. They'll know. And yeah, some roads and some houses at the moment, as you can see, clearly. Introduce yourself. Yeah. Oh, sorry about him. So yeah, I was going to record these big birds that were outside the window. We've now left that area, so there's some dried trees and a few leaves. You can't see that in England, so yeah, thanks.
Yeah, you make it great.
Video and it looks worse.
Of this spider.
Are you bad with spiders?
Yeah.
Like,
That was
how bad?
that's thick.
I'm like turning to.
I don't like
I literally run out of the room. Oh. I run there, I run back in.
Depends how big it is.
Bigger the scarier usually for me. Yeah.
Spiders.
These little black ones I like.
The little ones aren't too bad. Like the
Deal with
skinny
them.
ones, like Daddy Longlegs, are alright.
Oh.
They're easier to kill than the thick, chunky ones.
Yeah, the thicker, chunky ones usually are harder to deal with.
Sign the contract.
Sign the contract, big boy.
They're on the path, it says. Pythons everywhere. Fishy.
Shit.
Also have fish here.
There's loads. Look at the little ones.
What are they?
Fish.
What type? Tilapia. I was so naked without my stuff.
Right, moustache.
Yeah, I'm not.
You walk on the in the water flow. They're not slippery. So on some part they have rope. Just go through in the water drop. Yeah. And top up here until second. They top up here. The most.
It's the sticky waterfall, so you can climb up it while the water's going like down by your feet.
Why is it sticky? You wonder?
Because Mayrick's been there.
Hey, this is cool.
I like them plants. Those look cool. They look sick.
I wonder if we go at that one.
Yeah, I think you probably can. Never seen you move like that. Yeah, redacted.
Not just walking. Take your time. Normally 30 minutes.
Okay.
Take in the top. It would be shorter when
Yeah,
you go waterfall.
Ah.
Another it's like
Yeah.
You know what
not
it said?
tiring.
It's going to be 30 minutes to top.
Which?
So we have two ways.
You have to wait.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you may as well go down there.
Oh, that's quite deep actually.
Get in there. Oh, don't make me push you.
Is it cold?
That's alright.
Sure.
Yep.
It's not fine, I thought it'd be.
It's not going to be warm.
It's up to his fucking ankles.
Yeah. It's up to your nipples.
Oh, leave.
Oh, there's a fish there.
Yeah, yeah. Go on.
I'm scared. From the lighter bits, the darker bits of the city, you know, like that.
Okay, yeah.
That's city.
That's it.
Sorry. Yeah.
I have to hold my love handles then.
Where's the rope then?
There you go, you got
My bag's soaking.
Yeah, our passports aren't in there, are they?
Exit at whatever level we want.
Yeah, top level.
Nah, yeah, all the way. This looks sick.
Yeah, what was that?
A bit slippy up here. So watch out.
Oh yeah. Oh, that is slippy.
Slippy up here.
Right.
Slippy here, Merrick.
I think we're better off in bare feet though.
Yeah, I agree completely. Oh, yeah, my Crocs, I'd be bricking it. No idea.
People like film this on TikTok and they're just like going up it.
You got here quick?
Yeah, I took the easy route. How was that? Was it hard?
Nah, it's fine.
That don't look great. Don't slip.
Deck boys.
Unreal.
Yeah, so good. Sweating this.
7 out of 10. Who?
I don't know what we're doing now.
Is it our woman?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. No, it isn't.
It's the one next to me.
We literally said that.
She broke her
We
nose.
said, fuck. We said, imagine this is our woman. We're like, we fucking hope not, because we've got elephants to
That's why
see.
he was running as well.
Ah.
Why are you running? So we got literally
So we got one more woman in our group, and she's just fell down this
broke her nose.
broke her nose.
We don't really know where we're gonna go because he said he would have to drive her to the hospital.
There's the other
Well,
driver.
Get a refund, hopefully.
Well, can't put price on elephants.
I
But you
elephants
can.
throw.
Right. Oh, it's fucking hundreds.
Ugh. Fuck that.
But mate, I want that one.
Fucking hell.
Fuck.
I'm not gonna put any contact on that. Contact. Contact.
Let's go buy some fish food. Where's it gone? Maybe post KFC.
It's in my bag, yeah. You got a hat?
What's my glasses? Oh, thanks. Ta-da! You like the Three Amigos. See that?
There we go. Look at him.
My head is so big.
Yeah, we get it.
You gonna put the string on or not? It's sat on there anyway, it's fine. Don't go nowhere. Shit, yeah.
When they float water like to,
Sabs will go behind.
now it's like this. So
I'll probably go this. Oh no, you go that side.
Too big.
If you want, take photo. My friend, my colleague, Kapitan can do for you.
Okay. See you down there.
See you
See ya.
in 5 more hours.
Yeah, alright.
No, it's just like this.
Turn around, boys.
Talking a bit.
Oh my god, my that's
Snake?
yeah, they go. They live in there.
No way.
Is it big?
Oh, that was a Rooney. What happened to that? Look.
Oh wow, Sabs is caught.
You're missing good content.
No way.
Oh, one way, one way. Alright, alright.
See? Wow. That's crazy. That's amazing. They look starving. Yeah, I am. I'm videoing. Pose then.
1, 2, 3.
Look at that shit.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Hell, mate, let him break it. Imagine he falls it, mate. Imagine he breaks it.
almost broken.
You, Bibi.
That's the last thing we need.
Bibi.
Where do I go now?
Ah.
All roads lead to Rome.
I think you need to stand in the middle.
No,
no.
Sorry.
Oh!
Okay. Beautiful.
Oh, I don't see that.
Oh,
Liam,
move
you're
up.
tipping.
Ready, mate.
Okay.
Oh, check it out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry about him.
Sorry.
No
He
problem.
gets like that sometimes.
You better get back on driving.
Okay. You?
You take off a drive.
Go.
So you drive.
Liam is sacked. He's had his picky.
Sit down, Liam.
Yeah, bye one away.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh la la. Crocodilo.
Hyphen.
No.
Okay. Mama photo papa. This is
That's okay, I'll just do this.
Come on. Put shift in
I
then.
don't trust myself.
hurry up.
See my hat went.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but you didn't have the thing on, did you?
No.
Finn, look at the camera.
Oh, we feed him?
Feed them, and then we afternoon we walk. That should be okay.
Yeah,
you know,
nice.
quiet.
Yeah.
If
Oh, yeah.
like the green stuff, grass, corn, or every bark of the tree. Yeah, that they food. They eat.
Is this a snack?
This is snack. Yeah. That's just 10% of body weight every day. Yeah. Elephant one chamber stomach.
Oh, yeah.
And they eat 2 hours. They keep eating. And you can twist.
Oh,
Turn.
You do it like
Is it knife
there and then
yeah, that's what I thought. Get here, sir.
No, it's the wrong side.
turn the knife.
Oh.
Turn about. Yeah.
That will help.
What's hard? What is?
Now it's blunt.
I did it right.
Okay, need hand. You doing good? You left off your meat, bro.
This is going in the video. There he is.
Yeah, it's going on, mate.
First time.
Can you hear him?
Yeah.
Eating. Leave big bits for me.
Yeah. You jump in. You do something. Want some more?
Keeps going over there when you stop.
Yeah, yeah.
When you have food, when you don't without food, they might think your they has food. They might.
That was so good.
Oh, congrats.
Yeah, cheers, guys. Why didn't you leave it? Lockers there.
Yeah, we've got to take my picky.
Lovely.
When I travel Europe, I arrived at
I heard him say they breed them, but I don't know why.
Yeah, he doesn't want too many. They last for so long.
But does he mean like they don't breed them on purpose? Like they just let it be natural?
No, he says we don't
At
we
all?
don't want to try them.
How can they keep an eye on it at night time?
Yeah, how can they?
It's everywhere.
Is it?
Look at Liam. Look at her lip.
Mate, you're. What have I done?
How did you not see that?
I wasn't. Those are what?
Dogs. Look, they're fighting.
Get him.
Kiss him, man.
Kiss. What? What did he
Kiss him.
say? Sorry about him, mate.
You get weird after a drink.
Normally here is like we have 80 elephants in this area. But now the Eddie, the owner, he passed away. He keep to the child. Now it's separate with with five parts.
Whoa.
This one, my friend, the name is Nam Wan. Can feed.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, Alex.
You want your coconut here?
You can feed her coconut here.
Fucking hell.
Something better. Hold on.
When you
Shit
approach
myself,
the
man.
elephant, you
Don't run.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Don't too close.
Why have I got the biggest banana?
don't get too close, it said.
Thanks for your pic with you.
Too much banana.
You know.
Right, Sab?
No, you don't like coconut? What's up with that?
Mate, they're fucking huge. You scared?
Yeah.
Give them the food. Just
Yeah,
watch.
what's that?
Be careful with your phone and that. They might think
you
it's
take that?
food. They might think it's food, that's all.
Oh, too big.
No, it's too big.
Weird.
It's going for on too.
They can break by the feet.
Oh, God.
Feed it.
There, just a bit more.
Good, buddy.
Oh, it's muddy now. I wouldn't bother with that, mate.
Need to break it more.
Okay. One coming behind you.
He's playing soccer.
He's a big boy.
Oh my god.
Big daddy, innit?
Holy cow. Where did you come from?
Elephant.
Whoa, he's big.
Oh, sorry. Give me left, right, good night. Okay. There you go.
What's your nipple?
Good show.
You can come this way.
But I need to give it some more.
She just farted.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that fart?
Yeah.
No, it's not just came out.
On that one.
They are follow you like a 7-Eleven.
Can you hold my bag?
Do you want 2 in 1? Here you go. He's sound, he's chilled.
Now everyone is warming to you.
This is huge, man. Right, Sab? Sab's just so ready to go.
Sorry, take time.
Yeah, I'm sort of ready to go out.
Go on, Alex, that's a great picture.
Stroke it. Stroke it.
Oh, it feels weird.
Smile.
Alright, has anyone got anything I can give him?
You're kind of out of defense, aren't you, when you've got
Yeah. Got a bottle of water.
Alex, you can do my food if you want.
Okay, so the guy are waiting for us. Now we walk. It's just shallow here. Only your
Merrick's ankles aren't even in the water yet.
What is that?
His flip-flop.
Oh shit.
Where's your flip-flop gone, Alex? Oh, he's flapping.
It's their flip-flop anyway. It's not his.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you
Oh.
got them.
Ah, that's right then.
That's fun.
Thank you.
My hero.
Say thank you.
This one isn't as secure as the other one, is it? What would you do, Dylan?
Put RKO him.
I literally just dunked you. You didn't have time to grab me.
I'd be fuming because there's fucking probably about a million bone and shit in there.
Yeah, you need a brain to eat.
But it's eating shit like that.
Just keep thinking how much elephant poo I've got on my feet.
See it. He's rapid. Oh, he's going down. No.
You can literally turn around and there's him.
Like every day, this tree might be dying.
Watch out. Oh, he's doing the same thing.
Oh my god, he's doing the same thing as you.
There's a lot of ants there, mate.
Whoa. That's funny they do that. Oh. It's like when he does it.
So much cuter when I small one.
Yeah.
The big one.
See?
The big one's just
Let's talk to there.
Right, we're on our way back to the hotel. Verdict, Sabs?
really amazing experience, but glad to be back in the bus, safe and sound.
Rating out of 10?
Probably go 8, just because of the unethicalness.
Same questions to you.
I didn't think we were going to mention the unethicalness in the vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Redact.
I'll go 4 for the unethicalness one. That makes me sick. But if you took that out of it, 9 for sure.
What was your favourite thing?
I like feeding them, and I like the rafting down. That was pretty sick.
Yeah, that was so good.
Same questions.
It's got to be 10 out of 10. That was sick.
What do you rate that out of 10? Do you reckon?
I'd probably go 8. 8 out of 10.
Cats?
There was a lot of stray dogs, and the animals were quite scary.
Nice
What
one.
have we done this afternoon?
We-
Since the elephant, I think that was our last clip.
Finn had to go to hospital. It was quite serious. So they've given him a variety of really strong tablets, ibuprofen, to basically heal him up because he hit his leg really bad. There was slight bruising, and the doctor said it was top 1,000 worst bruises you've ever seen. And then we went for a really nice meal, and it was £101, which in Thailand's literally nearly $1 million. We had 3 courses. It was amazing. It was really good. Although our desserts were a bit dry. So
Yeah.
we had brownie
And the
sticky rice.
salted pork was dry.
Yeah, it was. But the pork at the table was really good. We had duck pad thai, which was really nice. And then we got a grab home, and then Merrick said about gooning on his own if we all want to go out.
Yeah, no word for a lie.
And taxi went silent and we didn't talk for 10 minutes.
Now he's in the toilet crying by himself, gooning. Oh, I'm having a poo. Any words about that, mate?
No comment.
Redacted.
Yeah, with that. Classified. So now we're about to play cards.